In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Conversation View in Outlook. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize related emails into clean, threaded conversations, customize how your inbox looks, and make long email chains much easier to follow. If your inbox feels cluttered or you constantly lose track of replies, this feature can seriously improve the way you manage email. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook desktop app. Once you're open and looking at your Outlook inbox, we're going to adjust the way your messages are displayed and grouped together. At the top right area of the Outlook page, look for the View menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu contains several layout and display settings that control how your mailbox behaves. Inside the View settings, locate the option called Messages. Clicking this allows you to customize how your emails appear inside the message list. Now from there, select Conversation. Instead of seeing every reply scattered separately throughout your inbox, related emails stay organized together inside one conversation stack. Conversation View is particularly useful for work emails, team discussions, or ongoing projects where several people are replying back and forth. Now let's fine-tune how these conversations are grouped. Inside the same settings area, open Message List. Here you'll see several grouping options. The first option is Group Messages by Conversation. This is the standard threaded layout most users prefer. It keeps all replies, forwards, and responses connected together under one expandable conversation. If you want more structure inside longer discussions, you can choose Group Messages by Branches. This setting separates different reply paths inside the same conversation. So if multiple people respond to different parts of an email thread, Outlook organizes those branches separately. This can make large discussions much easier to understand. Now, if you prefer the traditional inbox style where every email appears individually, select Do Not Group Messages. This disables threading completely and returns your inbox to the classic one message per line layout. Some users prefer this when sorting messages chronologically or searching through emails quickly. Next, let's adjust how much content you see inside your inbox preview. Still inside the View settings, click on Message Preview. This controls whether Outlook shows a short snippet of each email underneath the subject line. If you enable preview text, you'll see part of the message content directly from your inbox. This is useful for quickly judging whether an email is important before opening it. On the other hand, if you want a cleaner inbox or more privacy while working in public spaces, you can choose to hide preview text completely. That way, only the sender name and subject line appear. And that's it. To recap, head to outlook.live.com, open the View menu, choose Messages, enable Conversation View, select the grouping style that works best for you, and customize your message preview settings. Once everything is set up, your Outlook inbox will feel much cleaner, easier to scan, and far more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.